what we've got here. Reduced fat milk. Reduced fat, no thank you. Ketchup. Ketchup. I love ketchup. Ketchup is my best friend.
Ketchup.
What else? I love pudding, chocolate pudding. What else? Oh yeah, hot dogs, hot dogs. I love hot dogs with ketchup, and I take mustard, and I like it with mayo too. So let me grab this here. Mayo. Oh crap. Mustard. I also like it with some relish, and I also like it with seaweed. I love seaweed, and I also like it with fat-free milk. Milk! Okay, let me put this. Don't fall, my precious hot dogs. I love you. Can't you see that?